Mistplay focuses on paid gaming time that converts into gift cards. AppStation pays points for running and playing mobile games in the background, and Giraffe rewards you for installing and testing apps, which means each one is tracking a completely different type of user behavior. By the end, you'll know which of these three apps actually gives the most usable rewards, which one drains your time the fastest, and which one is only worth using in specific situations. Mistplay is the most structured of the three. You pick from a list of games, play them through the app, and earn points that turn into gift cards. The key detail is that everything depends on active playtime. If you stop playing, earnings stop. It's built for people who already spend time gaming and want something back for it, not for people looking for passive income. AppStation works in a similar space but feels more automated. It pushes you toward installing games, and then rewards you while those games are running. The important limitation is that earnings still depend on time spent inside those apps, so it's not truly passive. It also relies heavily on available game offers, so what you can earn changes depending on what shows up in your feed. Giraffe is the most flexible in terms of app offers. Instead of focusing only on games, it rewards you for installing and trying different apps. That makes it feel broader, but also less predictable. Some offers pay more, some pay very little, and availability changes often based on region and device type. When you compare all three directly, Mistplay is the most consistent for gaming rewards because it has a clear system and stable structure. AppStation is easier to run in the background, but offers less control over what you earn. Giraffe gives the widest variety of tasks, but that variety also makes earnings less stable. In terms of real-world usefulness, Mistplay is best if you actually enjoy mobile games and want steady gift card accumulation over time. AppStation is better if you want something that runs with minimal attention, even if the rewards are smaller. Giraffe only makes sense if you like trying random apps and don't mind inconsistent payouts. So the ranking depends on what you care about most. Mistplay wins for consistency, AppStation wins for low-effort background earning, and Giraffe wins for variety but loses on predictability. If you want the safest option, Mistplay is the one that gives the most stable reward experience. If you want the least effort, AppStation fits better. If you want variety and don't care about consistency, Giraffe is the pick. Like and subscribe for more straight comparisons of reward apps without the hype.